Okay, let's join our shoulders now. So here we need to make sure that our V's are all aligned. So put a stitch marker here. If you don't have one, you don't really have to, but it's just to know this is exactly where I'm ending my seam. So make sure that all my V's are aligned there. So this is how I'm gonna start there. So don't worry that you have a foundation chain here that makes this side a bit longer than this side, because when we do the arms and we put the sleeves in here, we're gonna place the seam here. This is where we're gonna do our seam, so this is gonna disappear. So the technique that we're gonna use for this, it's very similar to the one that we've used for to join both sides. It's exactly the same that you use to join your sleeves, because remember we do the sleeves, we crochet them flat and then we join them together, and it's very similar to that, but you have to go from the bottom to the top, then here from the bottom to the top, and then we're gonna go back to the same spot where we start, from the bottom to the top. And by doing that, this is gonna allow us to have each row aligned to the one of the other side. Okay, let's start. And then I'm going back to the same place where I started. Okay, so in here, I go from the bottom to the top. From the bottom to the top. And remember, we're going back to the same spot where we started. And by doing this, it allows us to align the V's and the row in between the V's together. Anyway, you get the point by now. So the row in between the V's with the row in between the V's from the bottom to the top, and then I go back to the same row in between the V's on this first side that I was working on. Then I go up and grab the V's. Now on the other side, I also grab the V's, and then I go back to the first spot. And I continue doing this until I reach this point.